640 gallons of fuel. She's powered by quadruple Mercury Marine 400 Verados. The top speed is upwards of 78 miles per hour, but if you want to be economical with your fuel range, you can reach 600 miles in a single trip. Our ace in the hull, though, is our patented running surface. It's a hybrid, semi-asymmetrical, multi-hull design that we worked exclusively with Morelli and Melvin in California. It's a double-stepped hull. That's exactly why it's really nice and fuel efficient, but also gets out of the hole nice and quick. When you're reeling in a big fish, it's a little hard to bring him in over the gunnel with a gaff. You can always open up the tuna door, slide him right in. Once you get him on board the boat, you've got 4 options in the floor for fish boxes. 2 nice big ones here midship, but then also sword fishermen will really like the bow boxes. If you use up all 4 of your in-floor boxes and still haven't reached your limit, there's a 5th box on board for you, this large coffin box. You can use it to fill some pretty large fish, including some tunas, some big grouper, or you can use the dividers that it comes with, and you can use it for dry storage or for beverage and food.